Dueling is just, I don't know why, it just drops. Well, it exists. I have drops on, and I guess you can get dueling and stuff because Duocon is soon or something. Anyway. No, it's not tags, it's just drops. Hello there. Ed was still running, which is interesting. Yeah, I went and refilled my water. Anyway. If we're lucky, maybe we'll test wrong format. What a mess. Anyway, so if we're lucky, Merlin's gonna come in and we'll test streaming together, because virtual camera didn't work last time. Anyway, yeah, see you, I guess. Be right back now also works, I think. Let me check. Oh, I didn't think about that. Hold on. Config. I need something to reload config. Well, come back. See it. Oops. Now if I restart Chattery, because this was embarrassing. Yeah, that works. Where's the music? Wait. No, I can't tell if I'm muted or not. Okay, now I am. Yeah. Because now I have a mute key, and I accidentally press it sometimes. What a surprise. Anyway, so let's see what we have. Yes, let's just open that. Run the test. Might as well turn my microphone a little bit towards me. Anyway, so here we can compile stuff now. Control flow will push it a little further, I guess. Function calls maybe next, so we can actually do stuff. I guess. Okay, now. And also main. Well, I guess let's search for CodeGen. So here, well, I guess we only worry about functions right now. Kinda need a goal. Like a more concrete goal for what we should try to compile with that. Oh yeah, projections are gonna be fun. Obviously. Anyway. Sorry. Terminators unwind. Oh my god! Also, this unwind stuff is gonna be fun. Actually, I wanted to search line. I've changed keybinds to use shift for everything, and now I'm confused sometimes. See exceptions. Is there any way I can do something similar? Can I like unwind it? See unwind. C underscore unwind. The wine, the Rust unstable book. Whatever this is. New ABIs. C unwind. What is C unwind? RFC's text. To enable unwinding from other languages such as C++. Why is it called C? There's frames and from other languages. Define behavior from a limited number of previously undefined cases where when an unwind operation reaches a Rust function boundary with a non-Rust, non-C unwind API. Ha. Plain old frame. No pending destructors can be trivially deallocated. And can be trivially deallocated. RFC does not define the behavior of catch and wind in Rust frame being unwound by a foreign exception. Project group. Like to specify the feature RFC. Such it is TBD to be done. Okay. Key design goals. System unwind. STD call unwind. And this call unwind. What are those unwinds? How are they meant to be handled? Yeah, that is the RFC. Yeah. Come on. Sorry. The exception API, I don't know. Okay, whatever. How does unwinding work? Data structures. The node interface reason codes in several contexts. For an exception, fatal phase 2, phase 1. What is your C? Wait, unwind reason something. Unwind reason code. Oh right, unwind reason code. The unwind interface uses a pointer to an exception handler object as its representation of an exception being thrown. In general, the full representation of an exception object is language and implementation specific, but will be prefixed by a header understood by the unwind interface. Unwind exception cleanup function. Unwind exceptions class, cleanup function, and 2 private variables. Dword aligned. Unwind rate exception. An object which should have its exception class and certain cleanup fields has been allocated by the language specific runtime. Forced unwind. Unwinding in C. No, I mean in C. Yeah, that's bad. C++, C++. No, I don't care about C++. I need it in C. I assume this doesn't exist. There's no mechanism for it. Set jump, long jump, whatever. Oh, it's a kernel part as well. It reminds me of something, you know, context switching. Anyway, so that does not clarify anything. So I guess let's deal with it when we come to it. This is pretty cold. Switching, unwind, redeem, unwind, terminate, unreachable, drop, call, tail call, whatever. Oh wait, call is always a terminator. Right. Okay, where do we have cogent block? Because we have cogent statement, right? And statements, what do we have for statements, right? Oh wait, right, I'm saying right too much. So statements are only assigned matters. Because fake read doesn't matter, or does it? Well, it's a fake read. Well, it's a fake read, I guess, could use it. It's a discriminant. Ooh, also, this, we'll need to do this. Of variant to the nums is permitted for both coroutines and ADTs. The entire place, means bytes. Okay, so set discriminant matters. We'll get to it, I guess. Tinit. Well, I assume. So there is a place. Tinit. I mean, I guess. Also should do. Some of them are worth implementing. Haiku. Rust user. Yeah. Doing Rust here. So statement kind. Set discriminant. So this will end in a to-do, because we need to support this one. I guess. They need storage leave, storage dead. I think this is an op. Oh, they aren't, but they don't matter. Actually, well, no, we don't have destructors like implied. Retake references. It's not off topic. Well, I mean, maybe it is kind of off topic, but it's absolutely fine to discuss this in chat. So yeah, I actually have used that a lot. I have that config, I'm pretty sure, even on GitHub. Do I have it installed? No, I don't. Or yeah, no. But it's pretty nice. Place but discard it without doing a load. So computes, please. What do you mean by computes, please? Yeah, I guess. I actually do have VS Code because I do Java dev with it. Actually, Kotlin dev with it. I should try that for Kotlin instead of VS Code. Okay, what's this? User type subscription. Yeah, no op. For Kotlin. Yeah, I actually loved Java before. Not quite using it as much, but sometimes I just do Minecraft plugins. So I do a little bit of Minecraft plugins, and so yeah. Ooh, intrinsic stuff. Actually, so we have this. Here's control for sensitive information injected by. So this is an op. I don't want to use Gradle, I don't want to use anything this complicated, and IntelliJ also crashed a few times. And by crashed I mean froze my laptop and I couldn't recover from it. So intrinsic and anything else? Semantic looking, nope. Okay, doesn't matter. So intrinsic also is important, apparently. So we do this. Okay. Now. For place. No, place matters, right? So there was one thing that was meant to compute place. So local or projection. Hi, Nico. So a local, yeah, sure, projection. A list of place element. Projection element. So either the reference, a field. Yeah, sure, doesn't matter. Index. Constant index. In Python terms. Imagine just having that in your Rust docs. Indexed. Oh yeah, sure. Doesn't really matter. Subslice. Oh wow. Don't cast to variant of an enum or a coroutine. Use for printing where in our UBL does change the type. Okay, so it changes the type. Opaque cast. And wrap and save binder subtype. Okay, so I don't think any of those actually really matter. Isn't like computing it. Welcome back, Nigel. Good, what happened already? Spam detected. Yeah, Siri is doing its job, I guess. Now, R value. Oh yeah, we don't support much or many R values. Wait, what am I pressing? R value. use. Use could be. Well, use could be useful, I guess. Does this user video? No, it doesn't. Cast, binary, nullary, unary, discriminant. Aggregate initialization. Yeah. Okay, it's fine. Now I guess let's do something with function calls. I'm gonna do external fan print. Yeah, value i32 print. Never. Assuming I remember what it is. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe ever. Pre-function without a body. Is this a C2? Okay, that is a formatting error. Oh. Apparently I need to use this. Pre-function without a body, but with an external. Oh my god, that's safe. Is there actually no way I can create a function that's like external linkage, but it's Rust? Wait, can I actually not? Rust external function with Rust ABI. Do I do external Rust? Oh, what is this? Unsafe external system. Safety safe. Okay, so I can mark function as safe apparently. Well, it doesn't want. So can I just do that and... Oh my god. Rust like highlighting doesn't even like it. Oh, external block must be unsafe then, apparently. Okay, the compiler crashes, right. And it also floods everything with errors, with logs. Compiled imperative runs on a sleek VM. Classic Java style object oriented. Horrible LSP support. Also has an interpreter written in Rust. Is that about Solidity? Well, maybe then, maybe, yeah. I don't know. Okay, let's see. More logs, yay. Where do we panic? Not yet implemented function arrest line 74. Terminator can't call because, yeah, we have terminators now. Oh, that's complicated. Compiles to EVM bytecode. Well, I don't know what EVM is. Elixir VM? Wait, no. Doesn't sound right. Here. Okay, let's I guess implement this. Call function, arguments, destination, target, unwind. Okay, Ethereum, yeah. What was I looking for? I was looking for L values. Cause there should be a way, or I guess it's places. Turing complete, by the way. Turing complete as in the game. Okay, so it is place. Wait, there must be a place. Yes. Why? Why? Yes. What? Okay, so there must have been a place that's like unused. Also, where's music? I muted it again. I mute everything all the time. If you do the chat, I might not even hear it. Does it even work?
Can you read chat,
It does.
please?
It does. It was forever ago since I added that command. I don't even remember what was the original reasoning like. I probably missed something. I don't miss chats now as often. Because I am constantly looking for it. Anyway. So I guess we need to implement Terminator call. Okay, function argument destination target unwind. I'm not working on the Rust AST. And Rust AST is by definition pre-macro expansion. I'm pretty sure. Because you need something to expand macros. Oh, we were reading it. MIR, yes. So yeah, I'm pretty sure HAR doesn't even have macros expanded. Well, maybe it does. I think it's HAR where it gets expanded, so there are two of HARs. And then MIR is like, well, I'm not gonna deal with macros at least. So I'm pretty sure they are expanded because I haven't seen them. Because like, have you seen how MIR looks? It's basic blocks. You can't really have macros when you have basic blocks. So I assume it's either HAR or THR where they are expanded. Anyway, so all of this call source, overloaded operator, match comparison, miscellaneous. Does MIR have trait-based syntax expanded to function calls, to result function calls? Great question. Well, you can always check it on play Rust-lang-org. I honestly don't remember. I think I have tried it. Give me a trait example. Well, MIR doesn't have generics, by the way. Well, it does, but that's not the example I was asking for. So, oh my god, Chinese characters or Avali? Hello there. Am I writing my own compiler? Not quite, I guess. Partially. So we're hacking into the Rust compiler and transpiling into C, and then we're gonna be doing more stuff with that. So let's create a struct impl e4e fn x implement hello world here, and then we'll do let v equals e v dot tags. Don't mind my naming. Wait, let's run. MIR. Give me that. Okay, so implementation. The function of the implementation X is all of that. Yeah. Takes one. And then, yeah, and then main just calls the function, as you can see. alloc 1. Oh my god. Those allocs are a little bit messing with me. Underscore 0 equals, like, okay, what is this? Oh, it just promoted something. I honestly still don't know what this promoted thing is. I guess I would just ignore it. Oh wait, no. This requires a constant. Promoted is something up with const. Oh wait, that's a const. Promoted is a const. Oh my god, what is that? Okay, I assume that's something to do with print macro. Anyway. Function call in MIR is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 or I32 as. Oh, that's why you said 1 plus. Well, it is add. It is add, as you can see here. Oh, actually, no, it is 1 plus 1 because I32 traits are resolved already. I don't know if it's gonna optimize it away. Oh, wow. Oh, add with overflow, right? Because add with overflow. So yeah, it's gonna be doing that. And also assert. Oh my god, this this is an intrinsic and it's. Oh wait, what? This is an intrinsic which returns a tuple with a variant, or with so with the value, and the boolean is like if it fails, if it overflows, and then if it overflows, we fail the assert and panic. Oh my god, why? Well, if we do add unchecked, I'm pretty sure I need unsafe. This is also just gonna generate an assert, right? Isn't it? Wouldn't it? Oh wait, there's no add unchecked. Rust is such a meatball. Rust add unchecked. Oh wait, it's unchecked add. I don't know if it exists as a method. No, it doesn't. Oh wait, maybe it does. We can try that. Oh, it does work. Well, it calls unchecked add. It calls a function. So can we actually get it to generate a sum? So like the 1 plus 1, the actual like addition which exists. A binary operator exists. Trust me. Also, this is intrinsic. No, this is not intrinsic. Oh wow. Hold on. Unchecked add can panic and unwind. Why? Okay, this is messed up. This is messed up. Let's try wrapping add. Well, this is something I did not expect. Well, wrapping add, okay, sure. But like the fact that unchecked add can panic is something I did not expect. Call. Okay, anyway, call function arguments. What do we need from call? Function arguments, sure. Destination, sure. Actually, if I call a function, like, no, I am not in any way ready. Wait for the Oracle to come out so that it can do all the work for me. Well, actually, yeah, we could, I guess. At some point, error could not compile. Oh, right. Wait, Show Mayar shouldn't care. Also, it's extern C. Don't need extern here. Huh. It's weird that it doesn't want to show MIR, but on my side it does. Wait, this. Because if we look at this, here's MIR. He'll be busy enjoying retired life. What? Anyway, oh, it goes into _1, which is a unit. Ow! Why? Okay, I guess sure. Oops. Wait. Oh no. Come back. If you you wait for Orko. No, Orko's gonna come out soon. We're like half of the way there, right? It's just stuff that's impossible that's left. Wait, why can't I? Why can? Oh, here. Okay, function args destination. Really diverges. We also need target, but later, I guess. Func args destination. Then, target, we'll ignore that for now. Unwind action. We'll ignore that for now. Call source we'll ignore. Fan span we'll ignore. Okay, good. So those are the only things that matters. Okay, let's see what we can put into code gen. Fan call. Also, we should write more docs. Args spec of operand. Wait, that's not how you write a vector. I'm going insane slightly. Result variable. Okay, so I should rename result to something like more logical. Destination. I'm gonna rename this to destination. And I should also do this in cgen. Okay, comment declare their menu. Destination type. To destinations. Can I do this in docs? Call a function and put return value into result or destination. Okay, so we have args and destination, right? Also, we need to check for args that are units. Because there are some functions which literally take unit types as like as arguments, and that's silly. So actually, and we might not want to ignore the unit types sometimes. Sometimes we might not want to. Also, I'm muted again. I need this. Anyway. Let me check something. It's fine. No. Yes, cgen, right. Actually, I'm gonna wait. Provide the function, right? Symbol, I assume, because we use symbols. wait. Create symbol. Because symbols are important. Symbols are one of the core parts of Orcom. So function is an oper. Oh no. Okay, I don't like this. The function is an operand. Well, I mean, I guess function pointer. I guess it could be a function pointer. Easily. Depending on how we decide something. Can I tell you exactly what Orco traits I have implemented for the Rust frontend none and the C backend all? Okay, so I nuked all the Orco traits, right? It's one of the rewrite, because obviously I do. Gotta start fresh. And then I just decided that frontend is not gonna have any traits. Cause like so frontend now is just calling backend through traits, and it is getting called by Rust C because that's how it works right now. And you will be able to call it like without Rust C, but with Rust C libraries, etc. Anyway, so that is for the frontend. For the backend, I could actually go through LibreRest. So backend implements all the Orco traits currently, obviously, because like I nuked all the traits, and as I've been adding them, I've been implementing them. So the backend itself implements display actually, which is converting to C, and then it should implement the two traits. Well, first let's go into declare. So declare, the backend implements declaration backend, which allows you to declare functions. This is the only functions that declaration backends provides right now, but later you'll also get like constants, variables, and other things. I don't know about global variables, probably. maybe no. So basically all the things you would find in a C header. And this just generates C code, obviously. And also insert stuff into maps to use later. So remember the declare function. Next we go into CodeGen part. Then we have some structs which do not really matter right now. We'll get to this. Backend also implements definition backend, where we have define function. Now define function doesn't have any types. Doesn't take any types. It just takes the name, and by that name it looks up the function that was previously declared using declaration backend, because definition backend depends on it. It has a, well, oh, actually it doesn't. Well, that's because they can have multiple types, and I forgot to mention we also have primitive type source, which is part of declaration backend. So you must implement this. It basically returns types. In case of C, this would just return a void name, a type named void. This would just return a type named bool. This would just return a type named int, etc., etc. Now, so definition backend, define function will return an impl of CodeGen trait. Now the CodeGen trait is implemented for a CodeGen struct, which represents one function being code generated. It has some functions like create a comment. This is just like debug information. Declare a variable, get a variable that is an argument to a function, cast a variable, and put it into another variable, return a value, and now it will also have a call. Wait, I can call. Okay. Okay, I want the complete. I want the completion here. Here we go. So yeah, this should be easy enough. If self is void. Oh wait, Right, because we need to fix it, because the function might be anything, might not be symbol. Function might be an operand. See, and here function operand, because this might be anything. It is a variable. Constant. Also, we'll need to add a symbol there, I guess. If well, if the destination is void, I guess. Destination. So that does not cast anything, does it? So we'll call a function. So we'll call a function. Lurk. Have a nice lurk. Function. With arguments. Oh right, I need to format args. Oh my god, that's gonna be a bit of work. Quite a bit of work. Lurk, welcome back. What are you doing? Function's gonna be self-operand. Process calling backend through traits Rust none. However, C display. What is? Why did you just summarize all everything I said? Too big for a clip. Oh my god, I knew you were doing this. It could be a video. What do you mean? It could be a video. Sure. Make a video about Orco. Post it on your YouTube channel. As long as you mention, well, as long as you leave a link and I can watch it, I give you full permission to do so. Now, how do we format args? So this is the list of operands. Can I do a string join? Or is it an iterator join? Wait, no, it's a vector join. They're gathering important videos and then finally record some clips to add context as glue in between those videos. Oh, what? Actually, we could do a stream marker here. Clip that. Oh my god, where is the marker? I don't have a marker. I don't know what the marker is. Add stream marker with description. Use later with a highlighter. Well, I'm not gonna use it anyway. Or pretty useless, you know, in my opinion. So yeah, I probably won't do anything with it because it's too confusing. You did the marker. Well, I did too. Anyway. Anyway, so what I was saying, it's like if I want to record a guide for developers to use Oracle, like to create backends for it, or for a guide for contributors, then sure, I guess that would be useful. Well, I don't see it either. Oh wait, I do see it. Hold on, I have a 1. Why do I have a 1 near marker? Let's see your marker. Well, I didn't know you were supposed to see markers. Cause like, yeah. I mean, where would I? Markers are made to be in the highlights in the video producer thingy on Twitch. You meant the log? Huh? I don't even have. You mean like moderator actions thingy? I don't even have that. Okay, let's see what I could add. Mod actions. Here, for example, somebody banned Seribot. That's all I see. Quick actions. No, that's not what I need. Activity feed. No. My chat. Stream health. Stream preview. Did I also mute it? Yes, I did. Somebody banned Seribot. Sorry. It was Seribot banning someone, not somebody banning Seribot. Okay, that's funny. Auto mode queue. Oh, that's useful. Active modes. Stream elements is the most active mode, apparently, it says. Nigel is on the bottom of the list. Oh, wait, you're all 4 active. Coder's chatter is an active mode. Ha. Unban requests. Well, yeah, no, Nigel, you're the best mod. You can clip that. How can I get rid of this panel here? Please don't ban Seribot though, because it's useful. Wait, add panel. Oh wait, I clicked on the wrong thing. Oh my god, why did my mod view reload? Oh, that's annoying. Bring back quick actions. Because I need them, they're quick, their actions. Good morning, RS broken. Well, it's not morning for me, but hey there. Anyway, collect. Oops. Collect into a vector. Join. I need join for an iterator because there is no reason to have it as a vector. At least in like exact size iterator, sure, I guess, but like not that. Switch types operand, found operand. I guess I could reference it. Operand is clonable. Actually, I could do into iter. Can I do this? Intersperse. Okay, so there is intersperse. Oh, that's like, yeah, that's not what not quite what I want. Anyway, I guess join on a vector of strings for some reason the only way to join things. Well, I mean, I could do it manually or use iter tools, but nah. Couldn't find a value in the scope, not found in the scope. Oh, yeah, right. Oh, let function. Also, I forgot. RxB. I absolutely forgot to move the to rename the destination in that one place. Here. This was supposed to be destination now. Destination. Here. Here. Now that works, I guess. Semicolon as well. However, I would also love to put like destination here. Cast name equals, or name is var name. I could just do that, I guess. This is actually a very useful feature. I'm never going to like do just parentheses here ever again, probably. Well, for complex formats at least. Because naming them inside of format is so nice, apparently. Now, it's not crashing anymore. Yet it's not doing anything. Oh, that's because I haven't called it, right. Here. So we have cogent statement, we have cogent block here. Call terminator. I will do self cogent call function args destination. That's about it. Okay, just kidding. It's not gonna work like that, sadly. It is gonna work pretty easily. Oh. We just do self op of this args map. Also, then cogent. Did I used slices. So why am I doing a vector here instead? We'll try to implement Orco backend for JavaScript. Oh, that's actually, hope it's already stable. I'd say what we have right now is pretty stable. Call is not. The call part will change because we need unwinding and everything else. But like you can actually. It's not that you can do anything with it. Why not TypeScript? Actually, you could also do TypeScript. Okay, whatever. Although, I would recommend you to at least give an ability to compile to JavaScript because it's useful. Okay, so call, wait, arg, call, just type hints. Yeah, but in case you want to run it in the browser, it's not. Self op. Also, should I add timers? Like every 10 messages or 1 hour, whichever is like more rare happening, Chatrybot will just send a message. I mean, not that I have something to promote, but I guess could be useful for one particular thing I have in mind. Also, I should definitely I should definitely bring back the Luanty server. It's banned. Instant the output, but remove them. Well, you can just add a toggle. You can just add a flag and that's it. Yeah. It's gonna be pretty painful to test though. Because you're gonna have to deal with this. You're gonna have to deal with this. It's not Orcos drop, but I guess you could throw type checker layer. So like the idea is you might. So first of all, obviously typed languages call Oracle backends, so they should have done their type checks before. But so we could make a layer that checks types and forwards all other calls to a different backend and implements all the backend traits. So it depends on the front end, not on the language, on the front end. But I guess. Well, we could add type checking. We probably should add an analyzer for Orco calls that would analyze and check types. So you can look at C backend. It does some unnecessary checks. By unnecessary, I mean it checks if a function is defined and you're trying to redefine it. Actually, you shouldn't. I shouldn't do this. I just realized because, well, I know I should, but did you not know that? Yes, I am creating a Rust2C compiler or transpiler. Well, I guess kind of in between, because I am keeping names for the functions, but I just completely throw away all debug info. Well, not all, but a lot of debug info related to functions. Also, I just realized I managed to mess up my watch. Whatever. Oh, second, let's go. No. Temple OS, oh wow. Those two sentences do not go together very well. Anyway. I'll need to fix my watch bracelet. Now, this should work. This should crash. This does crash. Codegen function rest line 31. Here. Oh, what? I'm perfecting my own intermediate library. Well, yeah. However, it's not example implementations. I am planning to keep those implementations in place. And C implementation is like the most important one because it's like it's just very important. Also, we're gonna have Rust backend partially. That is important to say, because we one part of work with making bindings and generating bindings will be incredibly easy if you create a Rust declaration backend. Anyway, how how is zero size thing a thing? So I need an operand. Well, I guess I can just do OC operand unit. I guess. Who said examples are not important? Wait, I didn't say examples are not important. I said that they're not really examples, they're just gonna stay. Ow. What? How did that happen? Okay, so we're trying to call a unit operand. There's still examples. Well, yeah, you can surely use everything as an example. If you're great at it. Okay, how? Wait, why? What are we calling? We're calling print. Somehow it evaluated to unit operand. Is an example. Okay, okay, you're going to that. It's like I inherit as a human class and implement a streamer interface. Some examples. Anyway, Why? Why are we calling a unit value? Why? How did that happen? Also, does TypeScript have units? Well, I guess JavaScript matters. Is it null? It's undefined. The unit I'm talking about is undefined. And null is different. But yeah, JavaScript frontend is probably not gonna be something you can make. Actually, you can make frontends for dynamic languages, just not yet. Wait, I can scroll through. Wait, I can change music however you want. Oh wait, what did I just... Whatever. Okay, I'm not touching music. You know what it also has? Well, it also has nan, but I'm pretty sure wait, I can't even type it. I'm pretty sure it also has something else. I have a book about JavaScript. I can go grab it and like search for this part. I even have a piece of paper where I had like, I don't know what you say, how you say it in English properly, but I have written down everything I learned from that book. Because JavaScript has a lot of like nullish, falsish values. Yeah. Okay, so how did that happen? Operand function. Call add parentheses. Actually, this is useful apparently. Actually, I could just put in debug here. Like you know that you can do this, right? You know that you can just put in debug like in between parentheses and between anything. Func equals print. Found in bug. What? Hold on, you didn't be right back. I fixed it right, like I fixed it right at the start of the stream. If you scroll up the messages, you might even still be able to find it if buffer is that large. I literally, you wrote lurk, and I said like, okay, so I also added brib by the way, brb by the way, and then I tested brb and then tested unbrb. And then I saw, oh wait, that's wrong, and just fixed it. I don't know. Oh yeah, I closed the terminal. You're not gonna see it. But like that just happened. Anyway, so it's print. So why? What's wrong? How is it zero sized? Well, sure, it is zero sized. But like, how is it a unit then? Or, oh wait, it's zero sized and it has a type. Oh, it might be... Oh, I did not update this. Still. Why? I need to. I need to. I have to. Okay. QOTD suggestions are welcome. Vote for the best QOTD on Discord. I'm too lazy to drop in a link. Okay, so I assume it's in type. Then. That's why unit calls it weirdly. Oops. What is this? HTY. Wait, it's nothing so steep. Oh, wait, ty.kind. That's what I need. It's not kind. Hold on. If I do to do ty. Let's see. And I know I'm flooding the directory with logs. fndef. Okay, so if it's fndef, how do I check if it's something? I guess I could just do kind flags. Well, it's just intern kind, so I guess I could just match kind. Could I just flatten it a little bit? With ty constant. Oh wow. Oh, that's something. Should I just create a function for that? Wait, yeah, no. I should probably move it into its own file. So like, cogent function, oh wait, the structure is wrong. Frontend, RC, SRC, Cogent. I guess Cogent should not only have functions but also expressions and stuff. It's wrong Cogent. I need no. I'm not. What do they do? Oh wait, I do use styled sometimes. What does backtick do? Oh, backtick is like always lowercase. Oh, well, yeah, I know those. I knew the tiled or wavy squiggly line key. I have not been using it much because I'm not used to it. Also, why is this a public module? Because it doesn't declare anything. Oh wait, no, it does. Wait, I should move the Cogent stuff. I should move Cogent context out in here. Squiggly also preserves case. What do you mean squiggly changes case? That's literally what it was supposed to do. Let me get rid of that. Pretty confusing. So if I move Cogent context in here. Oh yeah, I shouldn't. Right, that's what you mean. Okay, no. Well, I mean, backtick makes everything the same case. Well, it makes everything small lowercase, right? Yeah. Is there something to like make everything uppercase? I'm pretty sure there should be. Okay, I don't know about structure. Okay, bring this back. But I think I should create a new module. Just for the sake of it. Backtick plus tiled, alright. YouTube check. No. Oh wait. Oh, I'm repeating the action. I'm back. Now I can put all of this. Oh my god, I generated a lot of code. I was not going to, but I can put all of this. So this is CodeGen. Oh, this is private. Guess we need more stuff then. Here front end, just C src CodeGen function. Oops. Put this here and this. Oh, come on. This is now Modern.rs. I have to reload the LSP there. Okay, Rust C CodeGen function Modern.rs. Yeah, I think that is fine. Wait, CodeGen statement. Okay, this is fine. Now I can do mod operand, which will just all of this. I'll just move it there. Well, I guess I could I could delete it for a moment. Bring this line back. Now. So we need super CodeGen context. We'll see, I guess. Okay. C type IR. Okay, that's not what I need. Okay, so I need a fun def. I guess I'm going to underscore panic unknown zero sized const y. Or should I do value instead? I guess I could do value. Wait, I can't do value. I guess I could do OP. Okay, so we'll do fan def, but we'll need, we'll need stherty. I'm pretty sure it is. Her, maybe ty. This probably. Wait, it's mir. Hold on. Mir. Wait, no, maybe not. What is ty? That's the middle ty. Okay. The middle ty. Y kind. Fn def. ID and generic arguments. Well, we'll worry about generics later. To do generic, I guess I can put this here. Okay, now no, I'm not sure if this is all. Bullshit. Well, it's definitely not those. Algebraic data type. Oh, ADT is not a data type, it's algebraic data type. Oh. Okay, I don't think ADT is woo. I don't think that matters. For zero sized value. An array type, a pattern type, a ref type. Oh, wait, pattern. Wait, it's pointer. Wait, here's pattern. Yeah. Haskell is built on the core of lambda calculus plus ADT. Def and pointer. Well, this is just an and pointer with signature. Binder, dynamic trait object. Well, that's just a type. Closure. Closure ID. Closure might be. So closure might be oops. To do, we might need to do more, but I don't know. No, we have function def ID. How do we get the def ID name or something? Rust declare somewhere names. Convert path. Oh, that's exactly what I need. Would you look at that? Oh, kinda. Where do I get TCX? Hold on. Wait, I should have self TCX, right? Wait, we don't. Oh no. Missing a lifetime parameter. TCX. All the functions are private. I need to make them more public. Public super. Public to super. Oracle 1.0. Yeah, I don't know if this will ever happen. Those lifetimes are unrelated, are they? Aren't they? Or could they just use lifetime A here? Maybe I could. Nobody knows. It's different. Okay, where are the names? Oh, it's create declare. Whoa. Clear. Convert path. TCX. Def ID is func. Expect local. Okay, oh, this might not work. Convert path, div path. I just need div path. I don't need hash, I don't need anything. I just need path and not a string. This. Changes to def ID. Now this will break some things. Sure. Space, what do we have? Diagnostic picker, lowercase d. Oh, it's like, wait, workspace diagnostic picker. Well, I don't care about warnings. I do care about errors though. Yeah, I wanted to try an A lifetime here, lifetime A. Now. Oh, that reduces error count quite a bit. Basically to this. TCX. Wait, T6 is TCX copy? Oh, it is. Oh, great! TCX is copy, yay! Key. Okay, so we need the FID to the FID. So define function can only be local def ID. Or can it? Well, yeah, in order to use MIR we need local def ID. Or do we? Or do we? Should I change this to def ID? It would be more flexible then. Query param def ID, yeah, I guess. So we won't need to do this. It may not live long enough. Alright. Makes a generic argument invariant. Why? If I create a TCX and an A lifetime, and then use TCX here instead, will this fix it? And then I go in here and create another TCX lifetime, because they are not related. So keep them unrelated. Yeah, we'll fix that. You can close that probably. Wait, no, I closed the wrong thing. Here. To def ID. Here. here. Declare function. That definitely should take a def ID. Oh, this is gonna be a problem. Oh, this is gonna be a problem. This is gonna be a very problematic problem. Because I need the body. Well, I guess I'm gonna change it to local def ID for now. Local. That. Okay. No. Actually use that. Wait. Did I not add the symbol? Symbol. Or a global, I guess. Global. A global symbol such as a function or a constant or a global variable constant. Okay, global. No. Gamble. What? No gamble. Oh. Nah. No. Let's see. Oh, there's one error. I can just use the symbol here. Look at that. Would you look at that? Function expect local into convert path def ID. Wait. Well, it's already escaped. Oh wait, you're right. It's not already escaped. Okay, its names. Where did I see local? Wait, expect local. Expect. Wait, where? Line 30 in. Oh, it's here. It's in function operand. Expect. Yeah, it's not function. Expect local is just func. Wait, what is this? This is a symbol. Global is a symbol. It funcs with def ID here. So you don't run into these problems. Well, because oh, what is that? Oh my god. Well, wait, it's extern means oh my god, extern doesn't care. Oh, why? Oh, why is the path so wrong? Yeah, but well, I have symbols, and symbols derive to a string. but I don't know when I want to derive them or to escape them. And yeah, so I can't really do a wrapper type because I already use one, which is a symbol, and I don't really want to wrap around it because it's only in C that this matters. Okay, so what are we gonna do with this? Apparently this is wrong. Because it should just be print, probably. Hold on, did I take... Yes, C is... external C is still there. So it should just be, different. Debug def ID. It is only in C. It is only in C. Well, in JavaScript, I guess, as well. But, like, it's different in JavaScript. Okay, so we have a path. However... Okay, what can I do with the def ID? Index create index. It doesn't say much about it. How can I check if it's like an extern and then yeah, but this symbol is different. It's a symbol is just an return string used as a name for any symbol in the program. With any symbol in the program being function names, constants, and by function names I mean like full path. And full paths are containing some characters like colon colon, and you have row identifiers, so yeah, Zig allows any character to be used. I'm pretty sure. So you are not right already. Yeah. Only Zig then. No, because like I generate double colons and I generate other things, which yeah. Which I should take care of. Like when you mangle identifiers, that's what it means. That's what happens. I guess I could do an identifier mangling thingy. Oh wait. Mangle. Exolang that they can take any UTF-8 text to valid could return some result to. Oh, what? Oh, what? Whoa. This assign is cat fat. Assigns a variable cat to value 3. Ow. Cat is fat. Whatever. What if one day I wanna make a BeamVM backend? Then what? Why would it not be possible? Serials with identifiers from byte strings. Well, I have to remove this in C, so it doesn't matter. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Fire in the C language. But I need like the actual C++ mangling. I guess I will worry about it at some point later. No. It's getting cold here. It's getting cold here. Actually, I should probably close the window more. And also, I can look there and hold on. And then I forget to click this button. We're back. Here. So, where do I actually get stuff? Also, like, so when I do this, when I do like double colons, I should probably just use like a single character for forever, because it was just splitting of words, isn't it? Because so what I mean by that is like if Java uses dots and Rust uses double colons, I should just convert them to the same style so that both can be used interchangeably. Anyway, how do I work with oh, what is this? Oh, I stole it from Rust, from a Rusty code. Okay, how do I actually like get def name? Oh, def name. The one that is gonna use. Oh. Well, that's not quite one. Question mark instead of what is semicolon. Which one? Well, I know of one, right? I know of one. I'm pretty sure. Hold on. The question mark is the unsure one. I know of one that uses exclamation point. Because you need to be sure. You need to scream about your thing. Okay, what is streamed? Let's try def name. This compiler interface. Well, I don't have access to compiler interface. Oh, it's compiler context. Anyway, I don't have access to this. I'm pretty sure. Graph is safe, def name. MIR. Well, I guess I could use that. Graph with save def name. Qualify def ID, or I guess I could name it the key. I just return. Alright, and everything else is just ignored. Oh wait, into right, doesn't matter. Just as a test, just for a test. Ow, 0_5, 0_4. Okay, that's not what we are looking for. Now, how do I actually find out if what a symbol should be called? Should I go to like crane lift? Say code and crane lift. SRC. I have no idea where to look for and what to look for actually. So where do you define stuff? Oh wait, it's an SRC driver IoT. Wait, can I search for declare one module. Mainstream. Okay, this. Where do you get the name? TCX symbol name. Oh. Of a mono item. Symbol name. Provide a symbol name for calling a given instance for the local crate. It also look up the correct symbol name for instances of ROM upstream crates. Mangling version. Left symbols and ignore their whatever. Okay, so this requires an instance. What is an instance? It's a mono thingy. Oh right, this is not gonna work. Not quite gonna work. Wait, where is the query? Where's the query implementation? Description: computing the symbol for key. Cache on disk if true. Okay, I can't really use it. Exported generic symbols. Great num. Return like symbols. Okay, it's not quite what we want. Def ID. How do we get the instance? I'm pretty sure instance is a mono item. Well, instance is a function, literally. Okay, so what a def ID can be? Well, it's an identifier of a definition, including traits. Index crate index. Wait, what? Oh, order stuff. Okay, so this does not quite help. Well, this returns TCX path, def path. Fully expanded path. Oh, it's just an internal path. If ID is not local to screen, the result will be a non-local def path. Oh my god, it's gonna be different if it's local or not. Oh my god, why? Okay, so def path is just data and create num. Well, I guess if extern we just stop and clear. If component the data matches remote typeness namespace macro namespace lifetime namespace closure constructor opaque type nested static. Where is the where is the extern? Post expression opaque type. Oh, it's called foreign mode. Okay, it matches component foreign mode. Waiting high. Summon the blender. Rust CHER definitions dev pass data. That's what we need. Rust CHER definitions dev wait. Like the dev path data. Okay, so this in this case we just clear the components. Confused. Oh. No. I see like play your game and then it's play.rustlang.org. It's like played. Okay, hold on. I gotta figure this out. Let's create name. Oh. Okay, so this is gonna be also a symbol. This is the Rust symbol, the Rust C symbol. Yeah. Okay, just temporary. I guess that's gonna be like. Wait. Did I misspell foreign? Oh wait, component dot data. Oh my god, it still does this. Hold on, I gotta fix it. Oh wait, I just need to place an else here. Right? And this is should in theory. Yeah, it should change to print. Wait, it depends create. Wait, no. Wait, no. Wait, no. Wait. I need this. Oh wait. Here's why I misspelled it. So I can just do s.clear. Does not touch its capacity, sure. If not s empty s dot push str double colon, and I guess I don't have to use write for this. I could just do component as sim. Verbose true as str. Right? Yep. Should be good. Wait, component dot data. Now this should work. Print, let's go. Now we just need to declare it as well, because for some reason we don't. And we should. But I guess I will go open whatever Nigel has sent. Also, oh, it starts in 40 seconds. YouTube check, yeah. Oh my god. Oh, what is that? Hold on. What is that? Try blocks. This is the first time I have seen try block. Oh my god, what is this? Error. None. How does this... Okay, so this is... Wait, this is not gonna... Oh, well, yeah, I guessed it. You're in your Rust dev and you're scared of that code. Well, I am scared of that code as well, and I'm not a new Rust dev. But like, I mean, there's nothing really to be scared of. But like, oh my god, why? Why? Do you actually have to put this there? No, you don't. Why did you add unit types, sir? Explicit something. Anyways, there's no main function. Let's call him IR. Oh my god. What is this? I am not touching. Oh, ow. I am not touching this. Also, why do you have hello hello with nothing there? Okay, so Nigel, you want me to convert this to C? Oh, so you just remove the keys. Well, you can just remove this as well. It is valid. You know, you see the feature. Okay, let's switch to HAR instead. Yes, that didn't make it much better. Match lang branch B lang break. What is this? What is it generating? High penguin operator. Yeah, I guess, but why? Oh my god. Why is this full of this? Link break, link branch, link continue, link from residual. Why? Okay, I guess. So you want me to convert this to C? I'm gonna open Helix for this one. Okay, so well, we don't need feature gates. Actually, wait. Well, I have option. I can steal option implementation. I don't know if I should use this or... Actually, you know what? Forget generics. I'm not doing generics. So, A is a result of underscore, well, unit to unit. So you have result of unit to unit and the result of option to unit. You really had to make it result of... You really had to make it two results of, like, two things. So this one, okay, so at an optimizing compiler, I can just remove this and make it this, right? Wait, no, actually I can't. I can make it a bool. Okay, whatever this is. No. Well, as an optimizing compiler, I can just... Here we go. And some cleanup. That's better. Anyway, so yeah, let's implement result, I guess. Or let's just do gen result of type T of 0 optimizations. Who cares? So I'm gonna cheat a little bit anyway. I'm gonna make results always have an error of a tuple of a void value. So we're gonna do an enum result T I def num wait, result tag. Wait, I can just do this. Hold on. Oh, wait, I can just use a bool instead, I guess. Type def struct. Okay, so we'll have a struct. It will have a bool tag and t value. Now I'm also gonna need to do some magic for the generics to make sense. I'm gonna make lowercase. Let's see. Result. Yes, fine. Now what we need is result. Okay. T value. Return. Actually, I don't have to put spaces in here. I don't know. I'll worry about it when we get to it. Well, if you want me to make it, if you want me to do this, like Orko will do this, assuming try blocks will get fixed and not whatever I saw 5 seconds ago in the MIR preview. Exactly. then I will use the go-tos. Okay, I'm gonna shoot this a little bit. Wait. Okay, underscore t. T. Wait, I forgot what tag true. Well, I'm gonna change it to okay, I guess. That's an extra okay. Okay, I'm gonna do okay false. But no, I have to make an option of void. So I can't. I have to make result generic because you have result of this and result of that. You see. Just remembered. Well, it doesn't really matter. We'll do unit and we'll do... As an optimizing compiler, I can optimize option to bool. Can't I? Oh wait, type def struct. Oops. This is gonna be a result of bool. Okay, now I need to figure out whatever I'm gonna do with this. Well, I can also get rid of this try block, right? Because it's just unnecessary complexity. Right. Well, actually, you don't like go to. You know what I'm gonna do. Well, actually, this try block like makes no sense because this is already a function. You can just use the question mark operators. No. Go ahead, okay. Define try. Also, I just realized this should be all uppercase. Okay, so try value. We're using GCC, right? Well, actually, I can just cheat my way through this. Well, I guess I could do type check. There's no point in the macro at this point. Okay. So a try block. Well, let's make basic blocks. Also, why hello space, comma space, hello comma space? Am I like, is something wrong with me? stdio. Like, you didn't even make it run. There is no main function. You just want to see my sufferings at this point. Well, like, this try block basically literally doesn't compile to anything. Oh, it's print. Sure. Okay, I'm gonna comment this so that at least I get highlighting. We'll be back. Okay. We've got a BRB command if you want. Result unit. Well, that's A, then B. Well, as an optimizing compiler, I can just optimize those two characters away, right? Okay, fine. I'll actually do something with this. I still don't get like hello. Maybe it was supposed to be hello world. So if we fail, if A is an error, then we'll set the output value of this block to an error. Oh, wait, also I just realized, did I forget? Hold on. Oh, try block wraps the value in the okay. Okay, fine. A equals okay unit. Also, I just realized I need this. This is gonna be B equals okay unit. B equals error unit. Okay, expected expression before this. Sure, fine. Can't even create a unit properly. So this should work. C checks A and B. Well, as an optimizing compiler, I can optimize this check away because it's already bounded to B, right? Now imagine how actual optimizing compilers will try to compile this code and like scream in pain because it's not okay. Well, C is an error. UB. Well, disambiguation is just that. Okay, so we check A, we check B, and we return. Oh wait, and we return an error ourselves. Oh wait, no, we check error. Okay, sure, I'm gonna say as you command. Optimization stacks actually generate some code, no. Optimizing compilers will never do this. Also, how does this not cause an inference error? Like, this should have caused an inference error because it can't infer the type of error value of error unit, of error num type thingy. Okay, so this is C, right? Okay. Oh, this should be C, right? No. So that is done, I think. D. So D just checks none, tries none. You know what I'm gonna compile this into? Well, since you allowed me to optimize options into booleans. Ow. Pain. None question mark. Also this is bool D. Try none question mark. Say false. D equals oh, also this is wrong. I'm gonna fix this. Well, if D is if D is true, then D is sum of nothing. Now I'm gonna fix those blocks because this is wrong. It should copy the error value. Well, if you let me, I'm gonna just duplicate the function call instead of caching it, because it should be called once technically. But nobody cares, right? So this, and then we check ABC. Oh my god, why did you make me do this? And the so we'll create result bool val. We're gonna return the val because this is what it returns, and plug this in here. Or foo, I guess I'm gonna call it. So we'll just check for A, B, C and return D. So val was okay bool. How do you return D? How does... Oh, right, that's a try block. Oh wait, yeah, you couldn't get rid of try block. That's why. That's why it drops the thing. Well, you could, but like, not just with removing it. Okay, so this then... I like, actually, generally, why do you make me do this? Like, it's not something fancy, it's just... You could have done it yourself and like, in exactly the same way. I mean, I guess you didn't see it. Well, technically... Well, I guess error bool. Because technically, I mean, it doesn't really change because we have unit value. guess it was ABC. Or if not C, here is just C. Wait, ABC. Yeah, it's ABC. So that should be it, I think. Now, was it worth it? I don't know. I don't think it was. How can I share it? That link. There you go. Tweet on Blue Sky. Whatever. Anyway. So this seems to work. However, declaration part doesn't. Declare, convert type, convert path. Rust C declare. Oh my god, why is it so cold? I might have to end streaming sooner, because it's so cold and I don't wanna get sick, because I wanna stream tomorrow as well. I might just fire up my printer and heat everything up. Gist. Well, here you go, a Gist. It's literally a Godbolt Gist. Godbolt, oh, pretty much. Okay, so declare mode as. Oh wow, that was a function. Declare a fan extern crate. Well, isn't it in a fan? Wait, it's not a free item. For some reason. Oh, extern is a free item. Does need the Rust Playground Gist. When main print on Hello World. Well, you know how I'm gonna convert it. Just put S. Or do you want me to do formatting? Well, macros expanded. It's just put S. Okay, so what would we do here? Okay, so let's see. So items, free items. We're visiting free items currently. All non-associated locally defined items in all modules. Does not include associated items of impl blocks. Also does not include foreign items. To get all functions, use definitions below. Or does this include impl blocks themselves? Okay, so we need definitions instead. Local def ID. Well, same thing. Okay, not same thing. Actually. Okay, so what can we do with def ID? Def dot item. Well, to def ID, okay. No, doesn't help. Can I get def info? Def desker. query and get an English description for the item's kind. Wait, what? Why? Why? Def kind. How do you get def kind? Kind. Well, I can just def kind. Def. Or can I do def.kind? No, I can't. Okay, so this returns def kind. Oh, that's really not useful. Oh, would you look at that? Citor. Fn. Okay, so for some reason that did not include foreign functions. Well, I mean, items are totally fine for definition. Hi Merlin. Action. I see just action. It's fine. Rings the bell chase. It's fine, Merlin. If you want, we can do it right now. I'm pronouncing late. Moving out. So yeah. Whenever you're ready, I can do it anytime within like 2 days. Cause weekend. Sure. Although it's probably gonna take a long time until we realize what's the issues. Certain functions, string constant. Well, it probably doesn't. Because there's this thing. Come on, load up. Guest star. Why did they do the guest star thing? Oh my god, many buttons. This off. This. Invite. Do I invite you? You're a Merlin. Does it work? Well, it should. Also, I should have it in OBS, which for some reason I don't see it. Oh, it is here. Well, yeah, it is there. And wait, is there? Oh, there's supposed to be a button in the bottom. All right. Okay, so why can I not see? Well, I assume it's because I'm alone right now. Oh, here it is. Can't hear you. Default audio device. Connection error. Oh. Audio and video. I have trouble. Huh. Okay, so that's on my side. Which now definitely tells me that. Huh. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's not what happened last time. Client codec not supported. Although this is pretty much the reason. Okay, React router probably not related. Using quirks mode. Oh, what? Whatever. No error message, error. SDK subscribe state error. R12 44 211 high. Am I making like zoom close? I don't know what you mean by that. Okay, so cool. No. I'm just looking at why Twitch stream together doesn't work. Oh wait, it's now a black thingy. Also, I completely forgot that I should have switched out a VGA cable because this one has horrible noise and I can't tell if it's some kind of a random image or just black screen with like white bars because VGA cable is doing random things. Okay, so subscribe state error. Should I actually worry about that? Well, it clearly hold on, come back. Well, it clearly says that client codec is not supported. Well, it would be nice if you gave me the codec. It's not supported. Wait, I can't. I am not a web dev, although I do some web development sometimes. Hold on, let me just sway MSG. Well, it is broken. I feel like it's even more broken than before. Like much more broken than before. Well, yeah, usually I am a Rust dev. Although I was a C++ dev and I kind of a hater of Rust at some point. That's an interesting fact. Okay, let's Google this. Codex.com. What I use Rust for, or what Rust is generally used for? Well, I'm using Rust to make all kinds of stuff. Right now, in a compiler of Rust, converting to C. Okay, thank you. Thank you for helping. Okay, so latest version of media player. Well, actually, should I be looking at Firefox or OBS? Does OBS even have? Well, I'm trying to refresh it now. Okay, so it is a black screen in OBS clearly. It is failing much more gracefully in Firefox. Actually no, it is still a black screen. Okay. So this is a codec issue, obviously. If only it told me which codec it is. Objects error, SDK version. Your frontend dev in Next.js. Well, I don't know. Whatever you want to. Not much in codec found. Okay, let me move this somewhere. Here, for example, check. If you want to go to more AIML side, what is AIML? AIML. Oh wait, AI machine learning, hold on. Is that what you mean? Ah, Python? Kinda obvious, isn't it? Well, Python, PyTorch. Median by any chance? Yeah. Could have expected that. Well, my chat is just... Oh, my chat was a lot of Indians. Well, at least that was the trend before. That people are gonna come in and 50% chance they're Indian. Like lately, Germans started to show up. Not saying anything, but like stats just say that, and it's been a little bit of a trend. Anyway, well, that's not helpful. Which client codec is not supported? Because coders are mostly Russians and Indians. Why would you say that? Well, US has a lot of coders, doesn't it? Like, the whole world does. But US is a big country. China, I guess, as well. Oh my god. I wanna see it. Twitch client content and support with the browser, clear cache, cookies. Well, update your browser. OBS browser. Do you wanna update? do you wanna update? Well, that's not it. USA has, but yeah. Oh wait, what? New tab open somehow. What coders they have are Indians. Don't mind the branch name, but dev1. Okay, sure. Well, no, US. Actually, a lot of people from US are coders. A lot of people from Germany are coders. And like, why I'm sticking with US as like the thing I said. Well, I'm saying US because US is a huge country. And it has a lot of coders. And I mean like a lot of people, a lot of coders. China, I guess, too, but I don't know. China doesn't have as much of a percentage, I don't think. Oh wow. Oh wait, that's readme. Oh wait, that's a fork. It beckons. Let's see. Layout add rate. Regen. 4 minutes ago, LibreS. Sure. Well, yeah, go ahead, work on. Yeah, ML is artificial intelligence machine learning. Yeah, I figured that out. See, you gotta add dependencies. You can just look at Siege and create. Now back to the error. Client codec is not supported. I should probably move this window here. Oh wait. Oh no, what did I do? This window here. Oh my god, my screen doesn't have much space. My second monitor especially. Okay. Okay, that's not very helpful. I guess I could copy this first. Nah. Like, happen again? It's fine. So yeah, ChatGPT is not gonna allow missing docs. No! Deny missing docs. Error on them. So ChatGPT is not gonna answer this question. I'm pretty sure we asked it last time. Okay, so this is not quite it. Really Pro. Well, I mean, doesn't really matter. Very deep searches. The branch. Like operating system. Well, I mean, DeepSeek, which is AI I use normally for stuff when I need AI. Sometimes pretty helpful, but I normally just code myself. Well, it can do research quite a bit. ChatGPT, like the vanilla ChatGPT, is like it has a research mode, and it can do a lot of research this way. Not quite what we're looking for right now. None of them are gonna find the cause of this issue. Try cloud. Well, I'm pretty sure I tried it at some point. Well, anyway, none of them are gonna find the issue if there is no information about it, and there is no information about it. That's just how it works. Neither a human nor a machine can fight this issue. You can just the only way is like diagnose. Well, I guess like it's better when you can't really. Well, for example, I'm copying. Wait, this is exactly what. This is exactly the issue I had. I have. The collaboration settings. Well, I guess I could try Chrome. Well, is there a point in posting AI solutions? If they are just something that AI found. Try using Brave or Chrome. Good point, I guess, but I think we tried it. Well, I'm gonna run Chromium just in case. But issue is not only Firefox but also OBS. Like you see the thing above my head, the black box. It was supposed to be a virtual camera that Merlin has. And not only it doesn't load in OBS, it also doesn't load in browser. So that's the issue. But I'm gonna try Chrome anyway, because I wanted to. And also the connection error, I'm pretty sure this is another thing. Need to spoof the user agent. Oh, what? Spoof the user agent? Oh, what? Firefox-Windows. Well, I guess I could try that in OBS. Wait, OBS doesn't have user agent thingy. Or does it? Missing SDK or codec package. It's NixOS, and in NixOS, well, I can't really just install random stuff. Buy a new PC or laptop. Expensive. No. And it's a software problem. What do you mean buy a new PC? That's not gonna solve it. It's an NixOS problem more. And like I can't just install a random codec either because well that's not how NixOS works. Because I can't. Yeah, I could use Ubuntu. No, I couldn't. I wouldn't. Sorry. Because like I can't just install. Well, no, I can just install a package, but it's not gonna affect anything because you need to link it to another package. Like you need to do some stuff in order for it to work in NixOS because it has some fancy features. Anyway, Chromium. Oh my god, that's so slow. I hope the stream is fine. Buy MacBook. No, I'm not using Mac. First of all, second of all, it's too expensive. And yeah, I'm just telling this guy. Although I would love to use it to have a machine that runs on ARM and not the x86 garbage. Windows should say service isn't compatible with browser right now. Oh, well, no, it doesn't say that. Key requirements. Actually, I have an idea. Wait, I pressed the mute key. If I do steam-run Firefox, because steam-run includes so many packages you can't even imagine. Maybe it works with that. I'm gonna have to not leak the URL apparently, because it is something important apparently. Although I will definitely. Oh wait, that's just. Oh wait, no, I can leak this URL. It's fine. Well, it's pretty simple. Okay, allow, sure. Connection error, yeah. Yeah, no, that did not help much. Everything is the same, and then there is also error SDK subscribe state. Error undefined. Oh, I guess I shouldn't have shown some things that are It doesn't really matter. Actually, it doesn't really matter. Would you like to continue streaming together from this window? Use this window, yeah. Oh, by the way, since I have a virtual camera, I can just start a virtual camera as well. Oh, failed. Oh, come on. Nope, 362. Well, virtual camera doesn't work either. That's unfortunate. Let me just look up my dot file system flake. Well, no, config this. I need. Before L2 loop back. Okay, so it's mode probe. Sudo. Why am I working so often on Orco, yet it's only 900 lines? 758. Well, you know, I'm not working on Orco that much, am I? Also, can I enable the camera? Know what I want to know. So I mode probed it. Camera settings. Camera used elsewhere. Oh my god, what's wrong? Set up virtual camera. Well, I have set up a virtual camera. Allowed. Yeah, entire stream gets consumed by your challenges, exactly. I don't want to close this browser window. Can I refresh it at least? I hope it's fine if I refresh it. Yeah. I think this helped. Oh wait, is it? Remember for all cameras allow. However, this is not the webcam I want. This is weird. Jeff VST. Your YouTube to Twitch converter remember me. I do remember you. However, for some reason I see you on YouTube again. Okay, so why does this not quite work? How do you get like list of 4L2 still this device? Mix packages v4 well, that's what I'm trying to do. Well, I created the loopback device and I started the camera. So now it should at least well, it should have at least showed up. It doesn't. I can check it in OBS actually. If I device, yes, certainly exists, as you can probably see right now. So it is just the browser. And fair enough, I did not start the browser after I created the virtual camera. Oh my god, Chromium is still getting built. Oh my god, Mistral. Nah. Firefox. Okay, let's open another instance of Firefox. I'm gonna move this over here. And I'm gonna move this here. Welcome back. So I'm gonna open the guest star on this window. In this window. Well, that's not a pop-up anymore. But it should be fine. microphone. Now this should be aware. Close this window. This should be aware of my virtual camera at least. No, it is not. No, it isn't. Ha. Like, okay, so if I revoke this, if I revoke everything, show preview. Hey, that's not the camera I want you to use. Okay, why did everything become harder? I've tested it before. I've tested it and it worked. What's wrong with it? Let's look at KPW graph. OBS before L2. Oh, what is this? Okay, let me move this somewhere. Here. Okay, so if I redirect this, will anything change? Nothing. That is interesting. Okay, sure, I don't care. The code hackers, what did I just see? Video input streaming relay. Okay, so there is no v4l2xtl. Camera controls. Okay, might be Firefox issue actually. Might be that I just need to restart Firefox. Which, oh my god, I don't really want to do this. Because I'm gonna have to reopen everything. And it includes Stream Together because I will need to here it is. Yeah. Or I could just wait for Chrome, but it's so slow for some reason. Well, yeah, I guess in the meantime I could look for the other issue. Okay, sure. If you want me to use AI, I can ask AI. It is probably gonna do a better job at searching for this error, because it can at least understand the context. Quote an error from Stream Together on Twitch. Can't receive video, audio from error this context. I'm using NixOS. NixOS, that's enough. And Firefox, I guess I could have said, but the error is persistent between browsers, I assume. Look at the search prompts. I know they're not gonna give anything useful. Actually, might. Actually, it might. Also, I am downloading my own stream again. Yeah, should disable that. YouTube check, because YouTube chat does not refresh. Sorry, guys. Here. Network. No, my network is fine. No. Okay, see why I'm not using it. That's not true. None of it is. Well, actually, it does something with Pipewire. Configure Pipewire for stability. Okay, something interesting. Jack puts that's well, that's just audio. Yeah, that's not very useful. Clear permission, disable hardware acceleration. Okay, let's wait for Chromium. Actually, I'm not gonna be able to wait for Chromium, it's so long. Like, actually, why does it take forever? Testers are, well, I tested with OBS, doesn't work. For reference only. But not very helpful. I guess I could try that. Settings. Engineer browser sources. Session settings. Haskell. Command pane. Oh, you're right. Let's cover it up so nobody sees. Automatically shows stream. Guess I can share. Yeah. Camera. Well, this menu worked last time. Microphone. I assume my audio at least works. Audio output. Browser source desktop. Mute browser sources. This allows you to capture audio through the desktop mix with everything mix without experiencing echo issues, whatever. Just audio. Oh wow, that was loud. A little bit at least. I also could do that. Moderator. Nameplates performance. Maximum video quality highest 1080p. Current video quality one being out. Okay, minimal. Don't you click optimize my settings? Okay, let's set it to minimal. And I don't know, control 5. Just in case. How does this go? Oh, SQLite database is busy. Oh my god. So I have to wait for this. Oh, so annoying. Join the call. Okay, camera. Well, it doesn't detect it. That's the issue. Because it's I'll have to restart Firefox for this. Well, I guess I could try it. Might have to. Oh, so many processes. So many processes. I'm gonna have to close every single window. Oh, that starts in a little bit. Okay, fine. I can close this. I can close. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to close so many things. I'm gonna restart the Firefox thingy. Hopefully it's still fine. Okay, Firefox is gone. Now if I start Firefox, actually if I Steam run it just in case. So it shouldn't reuse the daemon, right? Yeah, that is different now. That is a bit different. Guest star, is it dashboard? Pretty sure it's dashboard. Dashboard. You open guest star again. Oh, it's a pop out, right? Oh, now I'm alone here. What does this mean? What is this? Oh, that's pretty cool, but nah, not for now. How do you work with this? No, here's a button. Is this selected? Okay. Now, this should at least know about my camera. No, it doesn't. Okay, this is messed up. What does this mean? Oh, session tick. Oh, okay. What is the second thingy? Oh, there was next. Okay, I know that. That's not quite what I need though. So I need the mod probe thingy. Okay, hold on. Do I actually need sudo for this? No, I don't. I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna restart it. Well, it exists. Video dash loopback. Why is it not there? Oh, come on. Is it Firefox issue? Or is it like me issue? VA open driver. Okay, actually this is interesting. Got some logs here at least. Trying to open PrinceDL driver. Also, I do not have YouTube chat. And I should. Open it at least. Okay, so found init function in VA open driver returns 0. Well, I assume that is fine. Also, this is the wrong channel. Here I have on YouTube Studio. Oh, come on. Okay, oh, this is broken. Oh, here it is. This. Okay, live streaming. Something went wrong. Whatever. Alright, I also need to open this here. Okay, my second channel is actually doing much better than my main. Oh god. Okay, can you open the existing stream, please? And not create a new one. Okay, you can. Pop out chat. Hey, pop out chat. Here we go. Here it is. Now. Oh my god, why is it loading? Why is it frozen all of a sudden? Is it actually Nick's building like impacts me so much? Oh wait, did this speed up? This sped up. Like, literally. Mm, mm. Okay, camera is in use elsewhere. Whatever. Let's try mod probing before L2 loop back for video number 8. Hard label, yes, cam. Thank you for joining. Exclusive caps. Okay, sure. Okay, this is interesting. Now, which is gonna choose? Output type, output selection. Okay, so it should at least have like multiple. No, it has one. It has only this one. Okay, so Firefox is messed up. Why? I'm using Streamlabs. No, I'm using OBS. Well, I have the virtual camera. It exists. No, like right now for sure it exists. Before I'll utils it is. It needs shell here, but it's gonna block because Chromium is downloading still. Oh my god, why is it taking so long? It's like it's so slow. Give us feedback. This is this is, well, this is not on Twitch, I guess. Well, when it works is great. Errors with to what codecs. Okay, let's rephrase it. CSDT subscription error income. So for SDK subscription error. Okay, now next. The codec not found with yes, just be black. Submit. Okay, and virtual camera, I guess it's on me. Maybe I should go into about preferences or something. Firefox Labs. What is this? Hold on. Oh, come on! You had to do this. Oh, wait, Chromium launched. Okay, hold on. I need to restore Chatri since original position, and I should do Nix shell again. V for utils. Okay, Chromium. Can I just use the URL? I'm gonna copy this secret URL, which I should not show, which I will definitely leak. But I'm gonna regenerate it anyway. Okay, let's see. This is vanilla Chromium. Like, this is like the best. Ooh. Oh, Chromium works. Okay, well that's interesting. Oh, and of course I can't really do anything with it. Okay, so that is progress. Now I guess I should copy this and log in. So that I can test other features with Chromium and actually blame stuff on Firefox and OBS. Hey, I need to log in, I guess. Oh wait, it's second profile, main profile. Wait, what did it press? Switch to this. And now, close this. Because this is Chatri. This was technically Chatri's account. Chatri joined the stream together. Let's check, YouTube check. Wow, Habitic is still there. Can close that now. Okay, let's see if this loads and works with virtual camera. This does not mean I'm switching to Firefox. Well, to Chrome from Firefox. Hello, sure. Okay, so this works. Mute microphone. Turn on camera. Oh my god, and this works. Why does it not work with Firefox? Oh wait, turn camera on. Confirm. Show on stream. Cancel. Okay, now that works. Also, it's mirrored again. I don't care that it's mirrored. But so that's a Firefox issue, I guess. Oh wow, a lot of warnings. I hope I won't leak anything by showing all of this. But I mean, so that is a Firefox issue. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here for now. Well, not only Firefox, it's also OBS. Let's open. Oh, YouTube is not receiving enough video. Oh my god, stuff is lagging. Okay, so this works just fine. Oh wow, there's many shells. There's Firefox, which I'm not gonna close. Okay, now if I use this window, is it gonna kick me out of that? Yes, it is gonna kick me out of that. And it's gonna error out. Well, I can switch from between windows at least easily. Also, there is an error sign in settings. Or not an error sign, I guess a warning sign. So like, oh, it's gone. Well, I guess I could look at performance, maximum video quality, high, sure. Well, that's not exactly the same. Camera works. Oh, camera disappears. Oh, so now when it enabled camera, network issues detected. Oh, it might be this camera is taking too much of HPU. Okay, if I switch to low and enable hide video preview. Okay, so now it's a little bit better, I guess. Still bad. Well, it's had some coding issues now. Now, at this point, I can say that my laptop can't really handle it. But the software issue is not there on Twitch. I mean on Chromium. Next. Just add the browser source and paste it. Browser source and paste it. Yes, and if I switch to Firefox, it issues errors again. Well, I did not mention that here that it's Firefox. Nor I mentioned it for nor I have mentioned it for DeepSeek when asked it. By my organization. Is there like settings that are like different from whatever this is? Like a big list of like technical stuff. GRM content, performance, Firefox updates, applications, translations, fonts. It's getting colder. What time is it? 7:25. Okay, so apparently something's broken there. Just gonna search for this. That is different. Give the media extension. Hey. Well, I mean, I don't really care about Firefox. I do. I care about OBS. I do care about Firefox, but like in a way that it doesn't wanna find my camera. Sneaks OS. Virtual camera. Okay, I'm gonna switch to this in the meantime. This kind of works. OBS Studio. Okay, let's see. The API. Let's check my configs. OBS. WLROPS, which is useless. Multi-RTMP, advanced scene switcher, and move transition. Background removal, pipe wire audio, VA API. Actually, I'm gonna add that. The streamer and VK capture. Enable virtual camera. Well, I do, I guess. Oh, this is actually true. No. Okay, so I need gphoto, v4rel utils, and ffmpeg. Well, I do have ffmpeg, I guess. Like, I wonder if I can... if those will fix the issue. Because Firefox might be using it, probably doesn't. Yeah, I do have ffmpeg. I guess I will add v4rel utils. Oh, bug in Chatri. Chatri gave a lot of errors out. So, yeah, OBS just still has a black rectangle. Oh, Chatri crashed. Somebody clicked on the screen. That's my blame. That's my excuse. Oh my god, everything's loading so slowly. What a dash. Okay, this seems to work now. No, I will, I guess, add v4rel utils to my packages. Oops. Just in case. I don't think this will solve the issue, but what if it does? Now I need to figure out why Firefox stopped working with my camera settings. Camera. Oh, camera settings. Oh, there is something. Changes. That's not quite it. Well, I have a virtual camera, it just doesn't want to show up. Or I guess you don't want to work with it. Wait, this has been... Wait, this has been in Firefox the whole time? Oh wow. Oh, that's useless. Useful. My brain's just not working anymore. Extensions for developers, customized toolbars. Yeah, not very helpful. Like, I just hope that there's some extensions that can just fix all my issues. Firefox. v4rel2 camera. Oh, that's pretty much what I want. The issue I have. Welcome back. You did not lurk. No excuse for you. Yeah, you didn't. Oh wait. Yeah, have a nice look. PP repositories. DKMS. Okay. Also this should exist. No, it doesn't. Oh, there is neatsource.conf. Video error, OBS cam. To stop the char. Okay, I'm gonna do char. Mod probe. Okay, it's in use. Hold on, I'm gonna stop the virtual camera. No, I'm gonna start. I can't start it. Okay. And then I'm mod probing it, and then I should be able to. Yes, now I can. No. This did not quite help. I'm gonna control 5 here. Hopefully it's gonna still be fine. Join the call. Connection error, I guess. Yeah, this does not work. Okay, so DKMS. Wait, what? Hold on. Virtual camera, referral to loop back. Kernel modules, extra module packages. Yeah, I guess I should have added this here. Yes. Here. Now. I'm gonna search for to loop back. Well, that's just different kernel versions. LED, Go Pro Tool. That's it. Yeah, that's not very helpful. Bluetooth devices, card label. Okay, so we have it right. Now why does it not work? Does not detect the V402 cameras. Several Firefox variants. Special binaries. Ooh. Nightly. Well, I could use a bin version. Oops. I could try a bin version at least. Hopefully it's not gonna reuse the running Firefox instance. Well, by doing bin. Okay. Oh, it's gonna download stuff. Well, that's quick at least. Use KD file picker. Music's input, wait. Consider the browser, native messaging, host. Oh, screen sharing underwhelmed. Add pipewire support. Wait, it doesn't have pipewire support. Okay, that explains many things. Firefox pin, here it is. Maybe I can open this here. Well, it has extensions. Oh wait, it's just reuses the thing. Okay, hold on. I need to start a separate instance. New instance. New instance. Here, I didn't have to restart Firefox apparently. I could have just done this, I guess. Ooh. Ah, okay, this doesn't work. Oh wow. What's the point in new instance when you can't run a new instance? Well, I guess I can restart it after all if I do this. Enable camera. Wait, camera setup to the cam. Well, it exists. Done. Okay, now I can close this. Also we have portals. System units. Okay, so did I copy the? Did I copy Firefox's screen sharing code? This. I'm gonna go into .file system flake. Search for Firefox. I'm gonna replace this by this for now. Although I'm gonna try bin. Now I'm gonna close all Firefox windows again. But this time it's gonna be different. Sorry, YouTube chat, I will not be able to read you. You're gonna have to message me on Twitch. Wait. Okay, yeah, that works. Now let's run this. I guess I don't care about new instance. I care about Bindu. Yeah. Hopefully this works better. Well, at least it uses the same configs. Is this a new instance? Well, it doesn't output anything. It doesn't warning. Showing warnings. What's this? Creator dashboard. Oh, creator dashboard's here. Oh. Now please work. Because if it works, then the fix is easy. I just replaced the package. Okay, allow. Sure. Oh, it's lagging a lot. Okay, connection error. That's unfortunate. Camera. That's unfortunate. Okay. How is this connection error? This is like weird. Can I clear cache or something? Refresh browser caches. Yeah, no. Failed mapping default frame buffer. Use this window. Hold on. Now, if I rebuild system, hopefully it's gonna download cached and not build Firefox from source, because this should be a widespread issue. Enabling Pipewire should help. Now, OBS is a question. Like, OBS doesn't work with browser source, that's the issue. More. But like, I can't really do much with this. And yeah, that's not helpful. Well, if I disable this, like, I can at least see Merlin. Official binaries do not work. Firefox instead of puts audio. No, I don't want that. Hi Scott. So you can see the box at the top of me. That's a stream together. We did it once, and well, my browsers and OBS don't quite work with it, so trying to figure out why. This is Chromium, by the way. I normally use Firefox, but Chromium works, so while I'm rebuilding Firefox, I have to use that. Browser integration. Okay, so this was the issue. Wrapped override Pipewire support. Wrap Firefox. Yeah, I assume that's gonna be a bit painful. Actually, I should probably change. Well, I mean, that's still matter. Oh, now I can't see YouTube chat because, well, yeah, it's not open anymore. Because Firefox. I should be able to do this. But it shouldn't matter much. Okay, so rebuilding, hopefully it's gonna rebuild quicker. I'm using Firefox. I might want to consult Tombi H. Person who made Browse. Oh, I do remember trying Browse out. But I don't know if I can message them. And I don't know if they would want to try to figure out why. Like, Chromium, for some reason, can fetch this video and decode it, and also can detect my virtual cameras. Well, I mean, virtual cameras is like the issue of Pipewire, right? So with building with Pipewire should fix it. Well, I mean, okay, that changes things. But like still, I don't know. I'm using NixOS and that complicates things a lot. And that is like, I can say for sure that is the cause of the issue, because if I wouldn't be using NixOS, I wouldn't have this issue. Very likely. But yeah, maybe I'll ask them. Like, another thing is, I don't really care about the browser source in the browser as much as I do in OBS. And as you can see by the black rectangle above me, OBS doesn't really want to work either. And like, that's weird. How's it doing? Oh. Max with us. Oh wow. Oh wow, that is a difficult combo. Okay, I'm gonna have to check them out. Then. Is it just that? Wait. Is it just that? Oh, it's 2 underscores. Again, since Firefox rebuilt, hopefully I can start it again. Full screen. Oh, that was Chromium full screen. Firefox. Okay, Firefox is here. Okay, two instances of Firefox is here. Let me open guest star. Hopefully this is gonna fix at least some of the issues. Put this here. Okay. Allow using microphone. Well, this doesn't work. This doesn't work. Does this work? Did this change? No, this didn't. Okay, this literally changed nothing. Maybe I have to restart. I don't know. Well, this worked before. But like, OBS is the issue now. Is an issue now. OBS, NixOS. Okay, so what do we have here? Well, that's not very helpful. Actually, restarting OBS might help and rebooting, because I changed some things there. But I'm not really gonna do this live, because I can't. Give this virtual camera. Well, virtual camera seems to work. OBS browser source. What was that sound? Really high pitch. So this is an issue. And yeah, I don't know if I can find anything about it. Hardware acceleration not enabled. I don't care about hardware acceleration. I can't even change anything about hardware acceleration in OBS settings. And point to Chrome GPU. Oh, that's interesting. Should I try using Flatpak version of of OBS? Well, this is verbose, but I guess conversion. Well, maybe it's gonna. Well, no, it's not gonna tell me anything. Enable GPU, use GL EGL. Well, I could try it, but I can't really run OBS. And also edit libgl. Well, you started now with verbose. Okay, I'm gonna copy this, because I have a streaming script. Oh, it's not dot. Hold on. It's just that. Wait. So this could help, I guess. But I'm gonna have to restart OBS for this. So I think. By the way, Tom BH, is it this person, right? Longest line of this offsite in the world. What? Finding the longest line of sight in the world. What? Okay, that's really interesting. Let me see Rust. Oh, Rust. I love Rust. Anyway, so this person, I assume. Well, yeah. Looks like it. Because I guess we can do a shutout. I don't know if there's any point. Streaming repo. Okay, yeah, that is the person. Window manager is Wayfire. Actually, I remember something about Wayfire. Oh, wait, this is the one that has effects. It's a 3D Wayland compositor. Okay, sure. Alacrity, Max, and Fish, and use Starship. Anyway, so let me just put this. Wait. Oh, right, I'm using control now. Put this here. You can do it. Shut out. Yeah, I guessed it. So this should work, right? Yeah. And with that, I think we might wanna raid. I'm gonna put this here. And I'm gonna restart OBS with GPU enabled. To check. To check with some GPU options. So I guess let's find somebody to raid. Sadly Nigel's not there. Been live for like almost 4 hours. He usually streams soon. Well, I'm not gonna be able to go for much longer. It's so cold in here. But yeah, maybe I'll catch his stream before going to bed. Secret details of fonts revealed. It's full of stack machines. Okay, whatever. Now let's check a compiler tag as we do usually. Well, I'm not raiding yet, but yeah. See, penguin operator. No luck. As always. Let's raid Misaka. Point. Oh god, this is like extra laggy. I guess because I have so many things running. I can stop virtual camera for now. So yeah. Duolingo drops. Thank you all for joining. I'll see you next time. Soon. Hopefully tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully I'll figure out the issues. Maybe we'll even do a stream together at some point. Anyway, see you, bye. I should actually open this. Oh, Nigel. You're like, sadly like... Bye, Nigel. Just in time. Can open, hold on. Just gonna do this. Here. Gonna do this. See you.